Hey friends, do you know that uh, alone textile industry in the world is using 100 meter cube million liter water consumptions for the fabric processing, which is a 70 percentage of total consumptions of the world, which is very higher. Use a 1 kg of cotton is required 10 to 20,000 liter of water. Says the cotton fabric is required 250 to 350 liters per kg of fabric, and for the polyester processing it's take 150 to 250 liters per kg of fabric. Polyester fabric processing is too high. For making one pair of jeans it's required 10,000 liter of water. It's too high. Finishing of the denim jeans requires 70 liter for finishing of the fabric. I'm saying denim jeans. Even the wet processing of the fabric is taking 100 to 150 liters per kg of fabric. Surprisingly, rinsing of the fabric requires 70 percentage of total fabric required for the process. It's not small. Friends, water is very important media for the any fabric processing, and it is also control the chemical process, fabric quality and productivity also. So, and one more thing which I will tell you is that 90 to 95 percentage of the whatever the water we are using is converted into the effluent process water. So friends, sometimes I also thinking a lot on the how we can improve the quality of water so that at least all these parameters like chemical, productivity, temperature, effluent, everything we can control. So since long I was working with the to improve the activation of the water so that it itself can help us to reduce or consume or improve the process. And one answer was come is ultrasonic water processing for the fabric. Now, we want to take a trial with ultrasonic system for activating the water for the fabric processing, and surprisingly, it was magic. We have developed one gadgets with the German scientists, and we use it into the our lab with a simple method. I mean to say, we have put that gadgets into the one bucket with fabric, the garment basically, and we have seen that it's a big difference. Whatever we are getting the cleaning from the washing machines, it gives the more good result than the washing machines with such a gadgets. So basically, it's work like a ultrasonic create a very micro bubbles into the water. I mean, it's activating. Have you seen the soda? When you move the soda, there were the inside bubbles. When you drink it, you feel something into your thought. It is what it is. Sometimes you feel that it is sensation, but it is a cleaning your thought also. But the little bit technology is different because sometimes it's acidic, that soda is acidic, so you will also feel something different. But here is a pure micro bubble which burst on the fabric. It will enter into the cavity and clean impurities very faster than the normal water, and even chemicals and utility is also not able to do such cleaning what the ultrasonic washing can do it. We apply same thing into the washing box of the fabric machines. You know how many washing boxes in your plant? Yeah, you just check it. I mean to say, if you apply this technology into same, how much saving you can do it. If we have tested practically first before many years back, the before wash box and after wash box. Also we have checked with the traditional methods before and after. The result was unamazing. I mean, you cannot imagine. Remember, this is not the one day success. We work for 10 years on this technology. Okay, it is just a dream. There is no thought behind us that we will make a such machine and we can sell it. But it was remarkable achievement. And you know how many inquiries right now with us? 32 inquiries for the ultrasonic washing machines, washing box basically for the fabric processing for with various buyers. To install many places. I can show you here also some videos which will give you the better idea. It's not a story. It is a practical and successful technology which is running well without any problem. Many people are coming to me, says, sir, this new technology is sometimes give a problem to us. I said, what? Have you ever used the mobile previously? And you know the Nokia big mobile? Now why you are buying the Apple mobile, very small, slim? Have you ever raised the query that it will not work? No. When we want to change the version, you will upgrade yourself, and that is same thing for the industry. If you upgrade yourself, you upgrade your machinery, you will be successful, and your survival and profitability definitely improve. I've seen many investors, many owners are very smart. They will just see, understand immediately, and come with a very good idea that okay, sir, let us do these changes because you have put your effort on 10 years, and we are very sure about that we will also get the benefit with that. And upgradation is very very much required nowadays to survive. I'm not asking to make money, but to survive, to sustain the profitability. And we are very sure about our technology. That's why we are offering pay on saving base, which is not in any word is offering such a extraordinary terms. Therefore, friends, don't think much. I have given you very good examples and everything. So save your energy, save your water, save your time, save your space. So many things you can do with this technology. Anytime, anywhere, if you want to know more about this ultrasonic technology, please connect with me. I'm very open with you how we have done it, how it was successful, and still we are working something more, which is a surprise to you on the ultrasonic technology. We are also going to make a domestic washing machine without, rotations. No, I will not give you any more idea, because once we will come with such a gadgets, I will come to you. And it was 90% we are successful. We are just getting some patent for that, and then I will come back to you. Great, thank you. Connect with me anytime.